Chicken chop suey. Marinade. 2 pounds chicken breasts cut thinly. A pinch of salt. Ground pepper. Half tablespoons light soy sauce. Half teaspoons dark soy sauce. Half tablespoons oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon shaoxing. Cooking wine. 1 teaspoon cornstarch. 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil. Mix together. Marinate for 30 minutes. Prepare the vegetable ingredients. 1 carrot sliced, 1 zucchini sliced, 1/4 red bell pepper sliced, 1/4 green bell pepper sliced, 1/4 yellow bell pepper sliced, 150 grams mushrooms, 4 Napa cabbage leaves sliced, 150 grams bean sprouts, 1 onion sliced, 6 garlic cloves minced. Prepare the gravy sauce. 2 tablespoons light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, half teaspoon salt, ground pepper, 70 milliliters water. Combine together, set aside. Prepare slurry to thicken gravy. 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 2 tablespoons water. Add 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. Sear chicken for 1 minute. Add minced garlic. Sauté for 1 minute. Add minced garlic. Continue cooking until browned. Remove the chicken from pan and set aside. Use the same pan. Add 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. Add garlic, onions, and carrots. Sauté for 2 minutes. Add zucchini, bell peppers, and mushrooms. Add gravy sauce. Add Napa cabbage, mixed together. Add bean sprouts. Combine all the vegetables. Add cooked chicken back into the pan. Mix together. Add slurry to thicken gravy. Add green onions for garnish. Thanks for watching.